All right, y'all, welcome back to another video. Actually, this might be part 2 to the video from yesterday of me taking the other transmission out. We got the new one though. I might start putting that hoe back up in there. Say what up to my dog. Yeah, but all right, so I'm gonna lift the car up and then we gonna throw the bit back in here. This one shouldn't take long. Y'all see me take it out in like 15. They did all that. Yeah, so I'm about to put y'all on the GoPro stand while I be having y'all that. Raise the car back up and then we finna get right real quick. Alright guys, let's put it in reverse. And the wheels are spinning! Yes! The wheels are spinning! I'm gonna put on the brake. Let's try to put it in drive. Let's get out and see. Oh, they spinning, baby! I'm probably still low in fluid. Let's see if I can give it a little gas. let me go check the fluid. I'm gonna go check the fluid now and see if it works. See how much fluid we need. Let me out. Guys, all right guys, we're gonna get ready to go take it for a little spin. There we go, it shows reverse. We good now. It gets up and gets out the way. I gotta get in alignment ASAP though, because this steering wheel thing is annoying. The steering wheel is like sideways for me to go straight. I can't deal with that one. The motor is super healthy though, and it does something after I get everything else situated with it. I'm recording. All right, Uncle John. All right. Yes, sir. It's ready to go now. The motor and the tranny are so healthy. I can't even cap, like it's super duper healthy. I done drove a lot of other G's and Z's, like automatic. Oh, I mean, I do have the headers on it. But like still, I done drove other G's and Z's, but this thing feels great. The steering wheel, this thing even rev matches. I gotta see what my VDC light. I gotta get these lights off the dash. I don't want any lights on this dash. I gotta see why the ABS light and stuff is on. Jeez. When I hit the gas, it gets up and he goes. Very little delay. When I hit the gas, it get up and go, baby. Jeez. Gotta go slow through the children's area. The little elementary school's about to get off. Got the police right there too. Don't want no smoke with him. But I can't go on the main roads yet. Oh man, I almost went out on the main roads. It looks like my brother right here. That's not him though. What? I'm recording, dude. Give me a minute, and I'm enjoying the car right now. Give me a second. Yes. Yeah, I'm in the car driving it, Jet. Semi. Idle's pretty high. I gotta figure out why idle's high. I think I have another intake leak that I gotta tighten up or find, because the idle's a little high. I said I wasn't gonna get on the real roads, but forget it. Oh, I'm so happy. right, guys, so I'm changing the whole entire intake because when I was putting this motor in, I think I hit it back here on the back, and I guess I broke this part right here that goes into the intake, so it's sucking air and it's making my idle stay up. So I'm changing the whole entire intake from the old one to the new one. But I just wanted to show you how clean the intake was right here. This is the new engine. The intake's super clean, and then you got the old motor right here. This is the old motor's intake. That thing is dirty, 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 dirty. Jeez. So yeah, let me finish, and I'm doing the AC, and I'm gonna put the hood and stuff back on. So let me finish this up real quick so that I can drive the car home, and then I'll let you guys see what we got going on next. All right, guys, so we are currently on the highway, and my GoPro's at 5%. The steering wheel, oh, I gotta fix that tomorrow. We're on the highway though. All right, guys, so as soon as I said that my GoPro was about to die on the highway, my GoPro ended up dying on the highway. But it's at the crib, obviously, so everything runs good, runs great, actually. Still super dirty. My handprints. Look at that roof. Oh my gosh, look at that dirt and filth. Oh my goodness. That's what not washing a car for a year does. But anyways, yeah, we at home now. Tomorrow I'll go get registered, get everything set for it. But yeah, the new transmission works great now. Works really good. I still need to put one more quart or like a half of a quart of fluid in it tomorrow. I ordered it already, so I'll be putting that in there tomorrow. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. It runs, it drives great. We're gonna keep driving and keep driving. I have a 90-day warranty on it, so we're gonna keep driving as much as we can, put as many miles on it as we can. But yeah, guys, make sure that y'all drop a thumbs up, give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe already, hit that notification bell, and make sure that y'all keep up with the rest of the build, because we got a lot of stuff coming with this car soon. So yeah, thank you all for watching. That's gonna be the end of this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.